Sa isinagawang National Higher Education Day Summit, nangako si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na ang kanyang administrasyon ay mananatiling nakatuon sa pagpapabuti ng dekalidad na higher educational institutions. Nagbabalik si Alan Francisco.
Kinilala ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang magandang performance ng mga higher educational institutions sa bansa kung saan ay kahanay na nila ang ilang world ranking university. Gayunman, aminado si Pangulong Marcos na may mga kailangan pang ayusin sa academic performance ng Pilipinas. Bahagi yan ng mensahe ng Pangulo sa National Higher Education Day Summit sa PICC kanina, kung saan tinukoy niya ang pagtaas ng mga numero ng mga higher education na kabilang sa mga pinakamahusay sa buong mundo.
However, we must acknowledge that in the recent Times Higher Education 2024 Asia University rankings, unfortunately, no Philippine university has reached top 100, with the country's top schools either dropping or maintaining their rankings. This just goes to show that much work is still to be done. We must pursue a comprehensive and all-encompassing strategy that will turn this trend around. The state of our education today shapes the future of the nation.
Nasa 81 higher educational institution ang pasok sa various world university ranking na mas mataas sa 52 noong July 2023, habang may halos 2,000 namang higher educational institution sa bansa as of January 2024. Naniniwala si Pangulong Marcos na ang hinaharap ng bansa ay nakasalalay sa kalidad ng higher education system.
Giving the youth the right competencies and skills and training is the only way for them to prevail and to prosper in this highly competitive world. Our greatest obligation to them is to mold them into critical thinkers, into problem solvers, into visionaries, wielding the skills that will allow them to succeed in the future. Without an educated workforce that will implement them, any national economic blueprint will remain simply as that, blueprints. We will not have the means or the capacity or the labor force to be able to make those plans reality.
Kaya naman, binigyang diin niya ang suporta ng administrasyon para sa dekalidad na tertiary education. Ibinahagi ng Pangulo ang aniyay ilang paniniwala para mapaunlad pa ang tertiary education sa Pilipinas. Kasama rito ang pagtataguyod sa quality higher education at ito ay nasa pagtutulungan ng public at private sector. Ang edukasyon din aniya ay nakapagdi-deliver ng best dividends sa lahat ng state expenditures. Dito ay sinabi ni Pangulong Marcos na ang gobyerno ay nakapag-allocate ng nasa 134 billion pesos para sa state and local universities and colleges ngayong taon para makapag-aral ang mga estudyante ng libre.
We know that whatever is spent on education, we should never regard as an expenditure. It is an investment. It is an investment. It is an investment in our people. It is an investment in our country. It is an investment in our future. Scholastic yardsticks are not movable goalposts, which we change every year to improve our numbers. These must be regarded as firm benchmarks that are resistant to the pressures that seek to undercut the quality of that education.
Alan Francisco para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.